A month ago, I was here at Jantar Mantar because I was curious about a protest. Today, I'm here at Jantar Mantar again because that protest has decided to move. Move to the parliament, even though the police has imposed Section 144.
Oh, ऐसा हो गया.
Where are you for soul of Indian Constitution? Where are you? Where are you? मम्मी ने बोला गाली नहीं देने का because my father is a BJP supporter.
This exact street has been the place of action. It has seen wrestler protest, anti-corruption protest, and now student protest, all at the same place. I'm sweating too much, so I took shade in this guy's, this guy is just waving his fan. I feel good. Thank you. क्या बात है आपकी? भैया भाई सबके लिए पंखा कर रहे हैं, जितने लोग खड़े हैं भाई दिखाओ एक बार. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. क्या बात है यार, थैंक यू. तो अभी हम आ गए जंतर मंतर प्रोटेस्ट साइट के बाहर और लोग चलना शुरू हो गए हैं स्टेज से. आप देख सकते हैं उधर से लेके आगे तक सिर्फ लोग ही लोग हैं.
वो सरकार बदलनी है. मुर्दाबाद. बड़ा ही खुदगर्ज है. पुलिस से किसको डराता है? पुलिस अपनी जेब में आता है. हम नहीं डरेंगे, आगे बढ़ेंगे. हम नहीं डरेंगे, आगे बढ़ेंगे. पीएम मोदी मुर्दाबाद.
बाबा एक और बात बताओ, जब बीजेपी इलेक्शन लड़ी थी, इलेक्शन लड़ते टाइम क्या बीजेपी ने सबको गांधी जी का चरखा दिखा के इलेक्शन नहीं लड़ा था? गांधी जी का चरखा दिखाया था, गांधी जी की नीतियाँ बताई थी.
ट्रैफिक पूरा जाम कर दिया है, पब्लिक इतनी है उधर से लेके इधर तक भाई. लोग अपनी गाड़ी से निकल के जा रहे हैं. सो बोल रहे हैं भाई गाड़ी छोड़ो, विल वॉक टू पार्लियामेंट. So we are walking to Sansad right now and we met with some protesters with us. Ma'am, what is your name?
Neeta.
Neeta, what is the aim of you coming here now?
Well, the aim was to finally join a protest where there are so many people and there was general unity, which is something we have not seen. I have been to Jantar Mantar several times. This is the first time where we have seen such large numbers, which is great.
Exactly.
And that's one of the reasons also to come, even though one has been a bit apprehensive about how this whole thing was going on.
Right.
One came because this is a genuine cause and there's so much wrong in our system. So this was important.
Right.
So that's why we've come. Now, संसद की तरफ तो जा रहे हैं, पर word from the stage where we have just been was that कि वो तो चला गया ट्रक पे.
Abhijit.
हाँ, अब वो कहाँ गया है? Then some have said, and so there are lots of people very angry there as well कि what kind of crap is this?
Right.
How can he just disappear? अपना माइक मुंह लगा के ट्रक पे बैठ के चला गया. और कोई खबर नहीं है. Then someone said कि वो मैसेज आया है
Exactly.
PM के ऑफिस से या God knows what else. बुलाया. अरे यार बुलाया तो he should have said, यार the minister should come here. Now why should I go? It should be transparent.
Exactly.
So, but it seems.
Yeah. What do you think about the road blockage by the Delhi police? I think it's very strategically blocked at some parts, so the crowd can't go there together to the Sansad.
Yes.
Tear gas pan. Okay. He's saying
तो कुछ नहीं होगा.
he's
गीला
saying
करो अपना गीला करो लगाओ और कुछ नहीं होता.
exactly बोल रहे हैं कि tear gas छूटा जा रहा है.
Does one believe that?
And I'm not very sure if that's true, but we are going to walk. We are going to walk to the Sansad. Let's go.
He's already took again. Did they actually go there? No one knows because
don't know.
even the stage में जो लोग बोल रहे थे, they are not telling us whether he's gone to the Sansad.
Right. We don't know where he is.
No, I mean, what kind of a setup is this?
Exactly,
right?
exactly.
I mean, it is not possible that in the 2026, we don't know how to do a protest properly.
Exactly. I think there has been some restrictions from the Delhi police as well.
वो तो होता ही है.
हाँ.
वो कौन से ये government is going to put restrictions. I mean, that is accepted. But you have to be prepared, no? You have to know how to work with those restrictions.
Actually.
Not to inform to get on a truck and go if he's done that.
Makes
I mean,
sense.
that is mind blowing.
Actually, if you are organizing a protest, you should
And
be
you
there.
disappear सबसे पहले बिना किसी को बोले बताए ऐसे थोड़ी होता है.
There's a doubt on the leader being missing from the protest. We don't know where he is right now. We are going to see. Cars stopping by. They are being supportive.
हम एक हैं.
IHM stands for nobody. IHM stands for one thing and one thing only.
Yes, sir. What is it?
The narrative that all of this is just pawns in a game.
What?
We are all just pawns in a game.
You're living in a simulation.
This thing. Look at everybody. Nobody is united. Everybody is divided. That is what they want.
Exactly.
We also could have started from one place, gone to the parliament.
Right.
But no. The blockades, they are for a reason.
Exactly.
They were meant to divide us.
Exactly.
People, please don't be fooled.
Perspective.
Please don't be fooled.
Amazing.
This is just bullshit. There's nothing happening here.
Right.
Stand for the cause.
Look at the crowd behind us, in front of us. People are walking to the Sansad. और लोग चल रहे हैं. आई थिंक 2-3 बैच में लोग चले गए पहले से. हम काफ़ी लेट पहुंच रहे हैं, लेकिन वी आर हियर. वी आर गोइंग टू सी व्हाट्स गोइंग ऑन. इट्स रेनिंग राइट नाउ. वी आर drenched in the rain water, but it's fine. It's all right because this is for a cause.
भाई
और बताओ, और कैसा लग रहा है आपको?
भाई
walk कर रहे
मेरे
हो?
को बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है भाई, बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. देश की बात है यार भाई. ये अपना अभिजीत है, शिक्षा की बात कर रहा है. हम यार शिक्षा नहीं होगा हमारे पास तो क्या होगा यार. हमें यार विश्वगुरु बनना है ना, है नहीं है भाई हूँ मैं उसका.
क्या बात है.
हाँ, अरे मैं दिल से आया हूँ. गोली मारेगा कोई मुझे भाई. वहाँ डर रहे, क्यों डर रहे? पुलिस को पैसे देते हैं, पैसा देते हैं पुलिस को. हम हमारी सुरक्षा करेंगे वो.
बिल्कुल.
मतलब नहीं है यार हमें उठा ले. है ऐसा गलत कह रहा हूँ तो बता भाई.
नहीं, बिल्कुल,
हाँ
बिल्कुल,
बता.
बढ़िया है.
हाँ.
और कब से आए हो आप?
अरे मैं घर से आ रहा हूँ यार बारिश में भीगते हुए.
हाँ.
कल मैंने भाई को देखा रोते हुए. भाई रो रहा था यार. भाई हमारे लिए रो रहा है, वो भी जी लेगा जिंदगी. बड़ा भाई है, आगे जा रहा है तो भाई सपोर्ट करना. शिक्षा की बात है ना भाई.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ हम नहीं करेंगे कौन करेगा. वो कह रहे थे ना हम खाएंगे ना खाने देंगे. खाना हमारा बंद कर दिया, खुद खाना चालू कर दिया. क्या मतलब है यार. शिक्षा खाने वाली चीज है क्या? दो ना सब में बांटो, है नहीं है.
बिल्कुल.
हाँ अमेरिका क्या है यार हमारे आगे. हमारी जनसंख्या 140 करोड़ से ज्यादा है. गलत कह रहा हूँ तो बता दे भाई. 140 करोड़ है. हम अमेरिका को तो यूं ही पीछे कर देंगे एक पल में. थोड़ा समय लगेगा, पीछे कर देंगे उसको. बात समझो. अरे भाई ये सोच रहेगी तो नहीं हो पाएगी. बात नहीं सरकार रहेगी तो कभी नहीं होगा.
Adnan, let's
टीयर गैस के बाद लोग जब भी आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, टीयर गैस छोड़ दी गई है, लोग की आग जल रही है, मेरा खुद मुंह लाल हो गया है, लेकिन गाड़ियां तो आ ही रही हैं, लोग आगे जा रहे हैं संसद के पास और हम भी जा रहे हैं उधर। लेट्स गो, लेट्स गो। Protesters are taking videos of him. It's like a mirror. It's like a Spider-Man meme, bhai. Tear gases are constantly being thrown off by the police. We are leaving. My eyes are burning. Look at Pokhri.
You can see my eyes, my nose.
Let's go.
It's
burning out.
It's crazy. I think a lot of people are leaving. A lot of people are in the province, but we see that police are trying to trap the people, the protesters inside.
We're at the front lines.
Yes, sir. By we're recording the forces. By should we go in?
I think we should go.
Oh, bhai. Oh.
ओए भाई रहने दो यार
I don't know. Bhai, let's go. What the hell? We're going in the middle of the action now.
पत्थर मत फेंको कोई भी
यहीं फेंक रहे हैं वो लोग।
Sorry.
ये पूरा भाई तोड़ दिया भाई।
Glass is shattered. Look at the bus, bhai. The bus is gone. Look at this. Look at this. We are walking to the Shivaji Stadium metro right now, and I can still feel the tear gas still burning my eye, irritation in my skin. What do you think about the situation?
आज का सिचुएशन मुझे जो लगता है जो हुआ है आज कि जो मॉब के अंदर भी देयर आर सम इम्पोस्टर्स जो ये प्रोटेस्ट को जानबूझ के लाइक बाय हार्मिंग द ऑफिसर्स है ना
Yeah.
तो ये चीज लाइक मेरे को थोड़ा ऐसा लगा
That is a very different perspective. Yeah. You were saying like some proportion was
Yes,
also
yes,
installed into the crowd,
yes
and that is what caused the violence.
Definitely.
Right. It can be a change of narrative.
just spreading fake news. वो यहाँ बोल रहे हैं कि भाई उनको पकड़ के भाई मार रहे हैं, कि उसको पकड़ के यहाँ मार रहे हैं.
Right, right.
Which may be true.
Yeah.
But there are instigators as well.
right.
They're wantingly doing it.
Definitely.
And now what? Mark my words. Tomorrow, a week from now, the narrative would be, oh, it got so violent.
Exactly.
People got hurt. They threw stones at the buses. They broke the buses.
Right,
at
right.
public servants.
Right. It can be.
Yeah,
You really don't know what's going to happen tomorrow, bhai. But one thing is for sure, we were in the crowd. We noticed everything. We saw a lot of things. We also reached an analysis what we'll actually cover in the video. So we're just crossing the street. I think this is the end of the video for now. We'll do the thesis part later when we have time to think about what happened today. The thesis part 2. We are here at a park, a random park. We don't even know this park. And I'm just kidding. We always come here, but this is the part 2. When we think about a protest, we think about the demands that a specific protest is keeping forward. But we usually forget about what temporary systems it starts to make around it. Speaking about the temporary community first, we saw that there was a temporary community created around the protest. People were helping each other. There was a common brotherhood, sisterhood with the protesters. A lot of people were offering water to other protesters, offering directions, offering arguments as well, stopping them when they were going wrong. So I feel like there was a temporary community built around the protest. What I noticed was there was a temporary moral code as well amongst the protesters. I saw an instance where a protester threw a glass bottle at the forces. I mean, he tried to throw, but before the police reacted, I saw people going up to him and stopping him. People being angry at the protester who was throwing the bottle and saying ki this is not right. This is where you should stop, because they know what narrative could change the whole protest direction the next day. Another interesting thing that I noticed, I mean it's very common in India, that there was a temporary economy working throughout the protest as well. We saw vendors selling flags of Ambedkar, badges of Ambedkar, संविधान की कॉपी भी दी जा रही थी. तो ये एक सिस्टम बन गया था प्रोटेस्ट के आसपास. पानी बिक रहा था. There was water being sold at the street. There was also rack pickers who were active throughout the protest, dealing with the protesters throwing garbage on the road. Rack pickers coming together, picking that up and making a livelihood out of that. Another interesting fact was there was a temporary geography change as well, where we usually walk. The usual roads that are famous in the New Delhi area near CP. So I saw that a lot of barricades changed the routes of where we are used to walking. But the protesters figured out new routes. But the only problem was the general public had to experience the pain for it as well. I saw hours and hours of traffic jam, cars not moving even an inch. So I think that is what changed with the protest as well. So let's talk about the symbols at the protest. I saw a lot of Ambedkar at the protest, a lot of blue flags, a lot of slogans, Ambedkar's ideas in the constitution. I also saw Gandhi, not real life Gandhi, but an old man dressed as Gandhi, which just made me think that these ideas, the political history, the political culture that we have experienced throughout the time since the independence have not died out. It has only amplified, and people are not just here for the issue of education, but in general the political history that us as Indians we share. So maybe a protest is not all about organizing things in the right way, but a way of showing up. There was a lot of different versions of stories that we heard on the way to the Sansad, but really I don't think any of them were true. But what we experienced was the truth, and that is what we told you in the episode of Thesis. This street thesis, this IHM recording the whole thing. This is the end of it. Bhai, goal maro, bhai, goal maro. Maro, bhai, maro.